Hi, welcome to ISE 2020. This is the Arthur Holm booth. We're in Hall 11, F155, and this is our new dynamic talk on the cover. So as you can see here, we have a sensor and a motorized gooseneck type microphone. This is actually a customization for a Shure microphone. The microphone comes up. The microphone together with the push to talk and the mute buttons. We can hide it by pushing on the sensor again. And this is a customization including voting system, including a speaker, and also is including a motorized cover which slides down inside the furniture, and this can be veneer. So when it's closed, you just see the same streamlined finish of the table. So it's very discreet and very easy to integrate as well. If you would like more information, please visit us at arthurholm.com. Thank you very much.